If you want shinier hair, you need to hydrate.
And you thought he was cute before. Look at this peacoat, tell me he's broke. And I know you ain't into all that.
Quick reminder, this scalp serum is heat activated, so whether you're putting it on wet hair or dry hair, remember to run a blow dryer through it, and I promise you will see those results. I have to take like 5-minute intervals because my hair is so thick now. I'm literally going like this because it is getting so hot in here. She's giving bang. She's giving bang. Just... And there you have it. I'm never doing that again. I think I want to add these glasses today.